Discover how humans conquered the skies through understanding the physics of flight. Flight is one of humanity's greatest achievements, combining physics, engineering, and innovation. 4 fundamental forces work together to make flight possible. Lift pushes upward, weight pulls downward, thrust moves forward, and drag resists motion. When lift exceeds weight, the aircraft rises into the air. When thrust exceeds drag, the aircraft accelerates forward. Wings are specially shaped to create lift through air pressure differences. The curved upper surface creates lower pressure above the wing, while higher pressure below pushes the wing upward. Bernoulli's principle states that faster-moving air has lower pressure. This equation shows the relationship between pressure P and velocity v in flowing air. Various methods achieve flight using different principles. Airplanes use wing-generated lift, helicopters use rotating blades, and hot air balloons use buoyancy. Each flying method serves different purposes based on speed, maneuverability, and efficiency needs. Humans dreamed of flight for centuries before achieving it. From Leonardo da Vinci's sketches to the Wright brothers' first flight to modern space travel, flight technology has evolved dramatically. The Wright brothers achieved the first sustained, controlled-powered flight on December 17, 1903. Today's aircraft use advanced technology for safety and efficiency. Modern aircraft contain sophisticated computer systems, navigation equipment, and safety features. Advanced autopilot systems can control navigation, altitude, speed, and even landing in modern aircraft. Modern composite materials reduce weight while increasing strength, improving fuel efficiency. Aviation continues to evolve with new technologies and concepts. Future aviation includes electric aircraft for reduced emissions and flying cars for urban transportation. Hypersonic aircraft, traveling at 5 times the speed of sound, could revolutionize long-distance travel. Flight combines physics, engineering, and human innovation. Understanding the 4 forces of flight is fundamental to how aircraft stay airborne. Wing design uses air pressure differences to generate the upward force needed for flight. From the Wright brothers to modern jets, technology constantly improves how we fly. Aviation has transformed transportation, trade, and travel, making our world more connected than ever before.